Everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. This is our Telegram channel, so make sure that you join us. The link for the same is in the bio. And if you see today, exactly at this point of time, we updated this chart of Bank Nifty where we said that this is a likely fake breakout and we may see the day low to be tested. I also shared the position over here. Now, this particular trade I had also taken with the March batch learner, as you can see over here. It's a broadcast list where the learners receive the message personally. So as you can see over here, I also guided on how we trail the SL, how to execute a spread, and all of it, everything in the live market. So make sure that if you're not a part of the Telegram channel, you join it for insane live market learning. Right now, let's discuss a few other important aspects about today's market, right, and understand this fake breakout in detail. Let's go to the chart of Nifty Bank again on a 5-minute time frame. So guys, as you can see, this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes time frame. As you can see from this point of time where it consolidated and gave a one-sided strong momentum. Now, if you see over here, if I take the price range, what is the kind of momentum we have seen? Bank Nifty already gave a movement of 140 points from these levels. Guys, this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, it broke out the opening range, but look at these candles. 3 continuous green candle on a 15 minutes time frame. Also look at the RSI divergence, Bank Nifty making the day's high, but RSI not making a new day high, which shows clear divergence between price and momentum. So guys, please note that I use RSI divergence on a 15 minutes time frame because it gives me less signals, right? So I will now hide this. Right now, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. And as you can see over here, after the breakdown, right? After the breakdown, what we see is that a good bearish engulfing candle, and then we see the market even breaking the day's low. And as you can see, the volatility, it continues to be very, very high in the month of April. So this is a simple fake breakout strategy, right? You need to look for these high momentum candles, and then there can be a reversal because the market has given a one-sided momentum. Right now, let's move forward and look at Bank Nifty on a daily time frame. अगर आप Bank Nifty को daily time frame में देखते हो, what do we see? We see clear choppiness, right? The market is staying in this particular range only. Can we see a breakout like this? Can we see a W formation over here? Most likely, yes, we can see a strong momentum to happen in Bank Nifty tomorrow. I will share the chart over here. So let's just combine this and have a look at this. So if you see today market opened with a gap up, and now if I mark these levels, what do I see? It's been in this particular range, and now as soon as the upper range is taken out, we can look for a strong high momentum trade in Bank Nifty. So we can look for a bullish trade because it's been in this particular range. This is the nearest resistance, which is 36,460. So we can expect some strong momentum to happen at least till the previous day high. So we have almost a 150 range of target in Bank Nifty. Let's mark the precise levels. We go long at 36,460 with a stop loss of about 75 points and a target of 140 points. So we are getting a good 1:2 trade in Bank Nifty. Now let's have a look at Nifty. Now Nifty is super volatile. Nifty ke under volatility is on the higher side. If I take you to 1 hour time frame, what do you see? Nifty is actually trading inside this particular range with no straight momentum. So we can expect sideways momentum to continue in Nifty until it stays in this range. The best strategy in Nifty would be to sell, either a call and a put, like that is FAR OTM put, or you can do a strangle or a straddle as well. This can be a good strategy in Nifty. For intraday basis, I am not looking to trade Nifty, and this is expected to be sideways. Also giving an update on yesterday's gap BTS trade that we were talking about. If you see, yesterday we were talking about this particular divergence on a 15 minutes time frame, based on which we had taken a BTST trade. So it was entered over here. The day low was the SL, and the SL got triggered over here, but still a very good BTST trade. And today, as you can see, Nifty was very, very choppy. Can you see over here? Nifty has been very, very choppy. Just have a look at the price action that we are seeing in Bank Nifty. Look over here. This is a clear, rejection at the day's high. It breaks the day's low over here, then again comes back inside the range and then closes at the day's high. So initially in the beginning, Bank Nifty was strong. At the day's end, Nifty was strong. So this is how the entire April month has been. It's not been an easy month for any trader. If you look at this price action, I mean, if you just go back, 2022 overall has been a difficult year for intraday trading, swing trading, all of it, because we are in a choppy market. We are in this range. But if you look at year of 2021, we saw the strong momentum, upside momentum to happen. Obviously, as soon as this range is taken out, we can expect strong momentum even in our swing and positional trades. But until then, we have to stay put, right? We have to manage our position sizing well, and we have to make sure that we sustain this difficult market, right? Yes, it is very good for intraday trading, scalping and everything, but otherwise we are seeing a very sideways momentum both in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Moving forward, let's talk about one more important aspect, right, which is a trade in AWL, which is Adani Wilmar. So if you look at this trade, I always say that positional trading is something which is very, very good for you as a trader. So if you see over here, we recommended this stock at about 390, and now it's trading at almost 800. So almost 100% move, 120% move in Adani Wilmar. So today we have booked another 20%. Now we have about 40% quantity in Adani Wilmar. So when you are carrying such a strong position, it makes sense to book partial profits. Now, moving forward to another important aspect about positional trading, which is a trade in pre-call, which we took on a monthly time frame. Okay, so if you see right now, it corrected a bit, from these high of 150, but we are still holding on to this stock, so you don't have to worry much about it. Now let's move forward to some intraday stock. First stock on my radar is MFSL. Now, if you look at this stock, it is very similar to our understanding on Bank Nifty. If you see, this resistance tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times. It's now given a breakout. I will mark the entry triggers over here. I don't think it will give you a chance to enter. So, I mean, if you wait for a breakout or something like that to happen, so 750 is going to be the level where we want to enter. 757. Our stop loss will just be 0.5%, right? So I'll just put it over here. So our stop loss is going to be 754 in this case, below 754. And our targets, we can easily expect 1:1 as the first target, and then 1:2 as our second target. So we can expect good targets in MFSL. The second stock on my radar is Ramco Cements. Again, this stock is based on daily time frame candlestick, right? So let's have a look at this stock over here. First of all, the stock was consolidating over here for 1, 2, 3 days, and then now we have a very strong bearish candle. Further, it was a trend line support tested once, twice, thrice. Tomorrow, we may see that it may continue this strong momentum on the downside. So marking our levels over here as well. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame to mark the levels over here, right? So it's a very simple trade that we may get over here. Let's just take the tool over here, short position, which is at 790, below 790. Our stop loss will be 0.5%, as you can see over here. And then we can look for the max target as 1%. So where we can get a 1:2. So book half quantity at 1:1, which is over here, another half quantity at 780 levels, right? So this is our understanding on Ramco Cement, and these are the only 2 stocks for you for tomorrow. With this note, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much, guys.